to cut the chicken in half, just like that. I'm using chicken breast, cut it in half. The salt, season the chicken breast with salt and black pepper. Guys, just salt and black pepper, and then the other seasonings are going to be in the sauce. Otherwise, the chicken will burn, while you're trying to cook it. So it's just salt and black pepper. This looks good, and then just gonna sort of mix this around. All-purpose, this is flour, all-purpose flour. Just sort of lightly coat the chicken breast in the flour and shaking the excess flour just like that. Just coat the chicken breast in the flour. Shake. Oil. So just a tablespoon of butter, adding a tablespoon, and then 1 onion, adding 4 cloves of garlic, sun-dried tomatoes. You can use fresh tomatoes if you have got fresh tomatoes, but I'm using sun-dried tomatoes. Adding some paprika, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of Italian herbs, some all-purpose seasoning, just adding chicken stock, bring this to boil. Adding thickened cream, guys, about 200 mils of thickened cream. Just adding creamy cheese. So I've added thickened cream, and this is now 2 tablespoons of creamy cheese. Just going to cook until the cheese is melted. Bringing back the chicken. I'm just going to add some fresh basil.